Can't believe he came up there. I ripped up a tortilla and threw it out there. Little cutie. I thought he was going to come up on the bird bath again. Oh, evidently my kitty saw him too. Where are you? What's up, Donnie? Hey, I hear a lawnmower outside. I'm so glad I have mine done. I can't even see with the lighting here. There goes somebody. I think that's Harry. Yeah, that's Harry, I think.